Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine. I am Miss Habiba Naeem from Multan Public School and College, Multan. We are going to start our lesson today. Today's topic is past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? The past continuous tense expresses an action that continued to be done in the past but remained incomplete or imperfect. Now listen about the formation of affirmative sentence. How do we make affirmative sentence? First of all, we use subject, then we use was or were. After that, we use verb with ing. Look at the example. She was cooking all morning. Now come to negative sentence. First, here is the use of subject. Then again in the same way, use of was or were. After that, use of not. Then verb with ing. If you see the example, she was not sleeping when he came home. After that, come to interrogative. It means that when we change into in question sentence. Here, first of all, we use was or were, then subject, after that use of verb with ing. See the example. Was she sleeping when he came home? Now look at this table. This table will help you in understanding past continuous tense. If you see first column, in first column all affirmative sentences are there. Look at first sentence. I was playing. Its negative is I was not playing. And interrogative is was I playing. Now see sentence number 2. You were playing and its negative is you were not playing. And interrogative is were you playing. Sentence number 3. He was playing. He wasn't playing. Interrogative is was he playing. Sentence number 4. She was playing. She wasn't playing. And interrogative is was she playing. Now look at sentence number 5. It was playing. Its negative is it wasn't playing. And its interrogative is was it playing. Next sentence is number 6. We were playing, and in negative form is we weren't playing, and its interrogative is were we playing. Sentence number 7. You were playing, its negative is you were not. Its interrogative is were you playing. Now last sentence is they were playing, and its negative form is they were not playing, and interrogative form is were they playing. Dear students, now here is an activity related to past continuous tense. See the question. You have to do this in your notebook. Okay, sentence number 1 is he dashed the guitar when his mom came home. In bracket, helping word is played. Now listen the answer. He was playing the guitar when his mom came home. We use here was because the subject is he, which is singular. Look at sentence number 5. They dashed dinner at home last night. In bracket, helping word is have. Complete sentence is they were having dinner at home last night. Here I have used were because the subject is in plural form, they. Dear students, here is another question. Question is Convert these sentences into negative and interrogative sentences. Do it in your notebook. For example, sentence number 1 is we were waiting for the school bus at the stop. Its negative is we were not waiting for the school bus at the stop, and its interrogative is were we waiting for the school bus at the stop? In the same way, do all the remaining 4 sentences. First change into negative and then interrogative. Thank you, dear students. Have a lovely day.